Hello and welcome to Full of Food. Making perfect rice every time is easy in your pressure cooker. The secret is a ratio of 1 part rice to 1 part liquid. We've used the Ninja 15-in-1, but any pressure cooker will work. So this is going to be a simple one. Ingredients and method are all together. So really easy. I'm using some white rice here. If you use brown rice, you do need to adjust the cooking time, and we're doing it in the pressure cooker. So we've also got some stock. You could use any liquid, you could use water, you could use coconut milk. I've just got some salt and pepper and just some little garnishes for the top. So this is the secret. Grab yourself some scales and a jug and weigh out your rice. So it's roughly 60 grams per person. So I've done 240 here. And then I've looked at the rice and seen that's taken up 250 mils. So I'm making 250 mils of stock there. So I've got equal amount of rice to equal amount of liquid there. Given my rice a quick wash, and then you're just going to pop it in to your pressure cooker, add that stock or whatever liquid you've chosen, give it a stir so it's covered nicely, and then really simple, high pressure, 3 minutes. Very important that it's natural release because that's the bit that cooks the rice. So pop it on, and when it's done, see all that lovely steam come out, you have this perfect fluffy rice. You can see it's beautifully cooked, all of the liquid has disappeared, and it's just absolutely perfect, not stodgy or anything. So grab yourself a bowl, pop your rice into your bowl. You can see how fluffy it is there, and then I just like to season mine with a little bit of salt and pepper, little garnish with some spring onions and some freshly sliced chilies, and there you have it. This perfect bowl of pressure cooked rice comes out the same every time. It's a great one to have in your toolkit. It means that you get that beautiful rice for whatever dish you're doing.